Hi everyone, welcome to my short tutorial about integration by parts. So today I will teach you how to solve easy examples step by step. So first, what is integration by parts? So the integration by part, it is a method used when two functions are multiplied together. So here is the formula. The integral u dv equals uv minus the integral v du, where u is equal the function we differentiate and the dv equal the function we integrate. So now, let's solve the 5 examples.
So now we have the example number 1. This is our formula, and this is our question. So evaluate the integral of x sine x dx. So let's find our u, which is our u is x. Our du, the differentiation of x, is dx. So let's find the dv. Our dv is sine x. Sine x. So our let's integrate. V is equals, the integral of sine x is negative cosine x. So this is our u and our v. So let's rewrite our formula, which is the integral of v du equals uv minus the integral of v du. So let's copy the question, which is our v du, x sine x dx. So our u is x, and our v is negative cosine x. Negative cosine x. Minus the integral of our v is negative cosine x. And our du is dx. Dx. So let's times. The sign of the negative cosine x is, let's atong ipagawas. So may mo na siyang negative x cosine x minus times minus is plus the integral of cosine x dx. So let's copy negative x cosine x plus the integral of cosine x is sine x. Very good. Sine x plus c. So this is our final answer for number 1. Negative x cosine x plus sine x plus c. Now let's proceed to the example number 1. Evaluate the integral of x cosine x dx. So first, we have to find our u. Let u. Our u is x, same as the example number 1, guys. So x, the differentiation of x is dx. So let's find next the dv. Our dv is cosine x dx. Let's integrate cosine x dx. So our v is, what is the integral of cosine x? It is positive. It is negative or positive? It's a positive sine x. So next is our formula. Our formula is the integral of v du equals uv minus the integral of v du. So you may pwede ra nimo siya actually nga diretso no. Pwede ra ka dari mag-focus sa uv minus the integral of v du. So our u is x, our v is sine x. Minus the integral of our v is sine x, and our du is dx. Dx. So let's times. Let's rewrite x sine x minus, what is the integral of sine x? It is a positive or it is a negative? It is a positive cosine x. So let's plus the sine to cosine x plus c. So the answer is negative x sine x plus cosine x plus c. So this is your final answer. This is for number 2. So next, let's proceed to the example number 3. Evaluate the integral of x e to the power of x dx. So first, let's find our u. So let u. Our u here is the x. Our du, what is the differentiate of x? It is dx. So let's find the dv. Our dv is e to the power of x dx. Let's integrate. So ang mabilin is v. The integral of e to the power of x, it's e to the power of x. So let's apply the formula. So we have the integral of v du equals uv minus v du. So our u is x, our v is e to the power of x, minus our v is e to the power of x dx. So here, so let's times. So x e to the power of x minus the integral of e to the power of x is the same, e to the power of x plus c. So this is your final answer, no? X to the power of xe to the power of x minus e to the power of x plus c. So this is your example number 3. Let's proceed to the example number 4. Evaluate the integral of x to the power of 4 ln x dx. So first, let's find the u. Let u be, our let u here in this question is the ln x. So ln x. So our du, what is the differentiation of ln x? It is 1 over x dx. Here. So here. So our dv is x to the power of 4 dx. So here. So let's integrate this to cancel the d. x4. So v na lang ang nabilin. So what is the integration of x to the power of 4? It is x to the power of 5. So here. So let's apply the formula. We have v du equals uv minus v du. Here. So our u here is ln x. Our v is x to the power of 5 over 5. X to the power of 5 over 5. So minus, our v again is x to the power of 5 over 5. And then our du is 1 to the power of x. 1 to the power of x dx. So here. So let's times. Ln x times x to the power of 5 over 5. It is x to the power of 5 ln x over 5. So equals, let's cancel the x here in the denominator. Let's cancel this out. So it becomes 4. Okay, kinakuhaan mo na itong isa ka x dar nga isa. So 5 minus 1, it is 4. So basically, our final here na is atong ipagawas si 1 over 5. 1 over, atong hindi pagawas si 1 o si 5. So let's integrate. So ang nabilin na lang dari, kaya na-transfer naman si 1 o si 5 sa gawas, kini na, may mo na din siyang x4. Si x4 na lang din ang nabilin. x4 dx. The x4 and the dx. So here equals, let's copy x to the power of 5 ln x over 5 minus 1 over 5. What is the integration? The integration in the x to the power of 4. It's x to the power of 5. X to the power of 5 dx. So let's rewrite again. x5 ln x over 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. So ang atong 25 is the denominator. Ito ni siyang times. So ang nabilin is x to the power of 5 over 25 plus c. So this is our final answer to the question number 4. X to the power of 5 ln x over 5 minus x to the power of 5 over 25 plus c. So this is our final answer to the number 4 here. So now let's proceed to the example number 5. Evaluate the integral of ln x dx. So lahi siya sa atong number, kung ano question number 4 is na siya x dari atong 4 ganina. But kini atong number 5 is wala. So ln x dx lang siya. So pwede natin siya ma-rewrite no as integral of 1 times ln x dx. So pwede ra siya mainani. This one. So first let's find our u. Let u. So our u here is ln x. Ug nagali question nga ln x guys, ang kana siya matik na nga ang atong u ani is ln x. So the differentiation of ln x is 1 over x dx. Then our dv, kay wala na may nabilin sa tong ln x no, kay nakuha naman nato siya sa u. So matik na atong dv is dx, our dx. Yes. So let's integrate. Kuha na din nato si v. So ang integral ni dx is x. So x. So let's apply the formula of the integral of v du equals uv minus the integral of v du. Pwede lagi po siya diretso guys. So ang u is ln x. At our v is x minus the integral of our v is x again times our du is 1 over x. 1 over x dx. So let's rewrite. Atong ipagawa si x dari x ln x minus integral of, let's cancel this no kay x times x is 1. 1 na siya. So it becomes, ang nabili na lang kay 1 dx, the integral of 1 dx. Again, let's rewrite x ln x minus, what is the integration of 1? It is x plus c. So our final answer for the number 5 is x ln x minus x plus c. So this is our number 5 everyone. This one. Evaluate the ln x dx.